Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamdani and is our team Rianwari Rahman and Muhammad Fadila. We would like to deliver our presentation with the title Pandemic and How to Self-Protect. We are contracting this theme because it's happened the most nowadays, as we know, for the little impact of the pandemic as impact to our society. Let's we go to the presentation. A pandemic is an epidemic of an infectious disease that has spread across a large region, for instance multiple continents or worldwide, affecting a substantial number of people. A widespread endemic disease with a stable number of infected people is not a pandemic. SARS-CoV-2, a new strain of coronavirus, was first detected in the city of Wuhan, Hubei province, China, in December 2019. It was called a cluster of cases of an acute respiratory disease, which is referred to as coronavirus disease 2019, as we know as COVID-19. COVID-19 is the name given by WHO to describe the disease caused by the new coronavirus. Meanwhile, SARS-CoV-2 is a coronavirus that caused the respiratory infected COVID-19. The naming of the virus and the disease is usually different. Experts are finding out more every day. Today we know that viruses can spread faster than other viruses by droplets from an infected person, coughing or sneezing between people who are in close contact with each other within about 6 feet. Symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tetanus, and dry cough. Some patients may have aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, or short throat. People with COVID-19 may have symptoms for at least 2 days and up to 14 days after the symptoms appear. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Other people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetic, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to serious.
I like to turn to wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Wear a mask. Think careful about the dangers of travel. One of the most important steps you can take is staying away from crowd or group of people. People with COVID-19 may have symptoms for at least 2 days and up to 14 days after symptoms occur. If your symptoms are mild, you don't need to see a doctor. People who are over 70 years old have a higher risk of severe illness from COVID-19. This has become apparent from international research that holds true in the Netherlands as well. For people in this group, it is important to avoid uncomfortable situations. There are situations in which it is not possible to stay 1.5 meters apart and no one is checking whether people. Worrying does not help and making others worry yet, but you can get ready for what might happen if the virus comes closer to home. As long as the world has not found a cure or a vaccine for COVID-19, we might have to adjust to a new normal, meaning a new way of living and going about our life, work, and interaction with other people. Rapid tests are methods for detecting antibody, namely IgM and IgG, which are produced by body to fight the coronavirus. These antibodies will be formed by the body
A swab examination uses a sample of mucus taken from inside a person's nose or throat. The mucus sample taken by the swab method will be examined using the PCR method or the pollution chain reaction. Vaccines are biological products of attenuated or dead viruses. Vaccines are substances that function to help the body fight certain diseases. The body that has been vaccinated will form antibodies against certain viruses. To minimize the risk of spreading COVID-19, which can be transmitted between humans, various ways are carried out. One of them is spraying disinfectant liquid on various roads. The most common disinfectant used for spraying outdoors is diluted solution of sodium hypochlorite. The COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia, it was confirmed to have spread to Indonesia on 2 March 2020 after a dance instructor and her mother tested positive for the virus. Both were infected from a Japanese national. Empon-empon is an original herbal drink from Indonesia that can be trusted to strengthen the body's resistance and ward off COVID-19 attack. The composition of empon-empon is ginger, turmeric, kencur, palm sugar, water, and others. Indonesian made COVID-19 breathalyzer sensitivity comparable to RT-PCR is called Genos test. Dian and Kuat invented Genos C19, a breath-based COVID-19 detection device. Coronavirus disease 2019 is a contagious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease has since spread worldwide. Okay, that's all from our team and thank you.